Welcome back my channel. Just relax. You are safe here. It's time to let go of everything that's been bothering you today. Slowly, gently, I'm going to start cleaning your ears, step by step, with deep care and attention. No rush. Just be still, breathe, and feel the moment. First, I'm brushing around your ear, soft bristles moving in circles, gentle strokes like feathers. Can you hear it? The soft brushing sound, like whispers in the wind. Right side first, now the left, one at a time, slow and soothing. Nothing else matters right now. Now, I'm taking a fine metal tool, very soft, very precise. I'm going to glide it along the outer ridge of your ear. You might feel a tiny tickle, don't worry, it's light and delicate. Little by little, I'll work my way in deeper. But only when you're ready. I want you to enjoy every sound, every tiny motion. Listen carefully. Every sound is for your comfort. Scrape, scrape, just softly clearing out the wax that's built up over time. It's normal. Everyone needs a deep clean sometimes. And I'm here to make sure yours feels amazing. You don't need to do anything. Just listen, breathe, trust the process. Now I'm using a wooden ear pick. It makes a different sound, more natural. You'll hear it tap and brush. Tap, tap, now glide, smooth and slow. There. Doesn't that feel better? All the tension, the noise in your mind, it's slipping away. I'm switching to a micro brush now. Small, round, and super soft. It'll reach the inner parts of your ear safely. You may hear a slight buzzing sound. That's okay. Let your ears adjust. This is deep, but it's not uncomfortable. It's gentle and satisfying. You're doing great. Let's go deeper now, just a little more. I'll use a soft silicone spiral tool. It turns slowly, picking up the tiniest particles. Twist, twist, and lift. Like magic. Clean and clear. Your ears are opening up. Your mind is too. You might even feel a light tingling down your spine. That's the relaxation sinking in. Take a deep breath.